Welcome back to the channel, YouTube subscribers. We are here with Mark Wessler, Fuel Factory.
Hey Ryan, thanks for having us, buddy. It's great to be here. It's great to see you. It's been a long time coming, right? Feels like we've been working on this project for a really long time, but we made it, and 2022, as it draws to a close, I'm super stoked for 2023.
That's right. So,
Yeah. So Fuel Factory, right, is kind of a passion project of ours, right? This performance fuel company that we've put together, kind of under the direction and tutelage of Michael Tedesco. Michael's been in the motorsports game for a long time, right? Michael's daughter Mia is a former NHRA world champion, and Michael still owns a racetrack just outside of Pittsburgh. So his family's well known and inside of drag racing and inside of motorsports. But we're stoked to launch this deal, and we feel like there's opportunity headed into the new year to really kick it off.
most definitely a lot of opportunity for a lot of y'all who might see on this channel. Mark reached out to me
A few months ago.
Sent me a lot of gas, the experiment, trial. I ended up putting it behind a LS car, and then I graduated from the LS car. Then I went to 959, Pat Moosey 959. So this fuel will actually go from, it's endless, really. Can you explain a little bit about all the markets for the fuel?
Yeah, so we've got 20 different blends of fuel under the Fuel Factory lineup. We thought that we wanted to be really diverse in our offering. We wanted to make sure that we had different fuels for all different segments of motorsports, whether that's two-wheel or four-wheel, or whether that's dirt or drag. So I was looking to do something inside of the nitrous fuel game. I needed to have somebody reputable in the industry, and I talked to our good mutual friend, Jimmy Bradshaw.
Shouts out to Jimmy Bradshaw.
Yeah, Sticky Mafia. But anyway, Jimmy said, hey, you got to get with Ryan. Like, he's the guy. So I sent him some fuel. We took a look at a couple of different ones for the different applications, right? We got him on our NOS Max product that works really well in big cubic inch fuel-injected nitrous applications. And you made some polls on it, and you'd be better educated to give the feedback than I am, but all results so far look really good.
Oh yeah, so the results I have, I took it to Modern Racing Hub down there, and I mean, I can't say what car, but the fuel will make over 3,000 horsepower. So, and for, LS platforms, 14, 16, 17, 1800, 2,000 horsepower, really the fuel is just endless. And me, I like to try different things, so that's why I told Mark, I'm his perfect guinea pig for it.
Yeah, for sure. We're super excited to have Ryan and his crew on board and help us really spread the word on this fuel and kind of get us where we need to go. Again, we wanted to be really versatile and diverse in the fuels that we had to offer.
That's right.
So as we launched this brand, and the brand is kind of different, right? Like everybody can see, the black and the high-vis yellow at the name Fuel Factory, right? We wanted to bring a little bit of a different appeal and a different marketing approach to race fuel, and we feel like we've done that. We feel like we'll continue to do that, and feel like we've got a lot of momentum headed into 2023.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Well, anything else you think we should touch over, Mark?
Fuel Factory
over like a can or something?
Sure. So obviously the scheme is really unique, right, to the industry. Not a lot of yellow in and around motorsports, which is why we picked it. There's a lot of blues, there's a lot of blacks, a lot of reds.
Yeah.
We wanted to do something really different and unique. And a big piece of our marketing approach moving forward will be that this is a true lifestyle brand. And what we mean by that is we know that not everybody that loves motorsports will sit behind a Pat Moosey 959, or not every kid will swing their leg over not every kid will be able to swing their leg over a motocross bike. But we wanted everybody to have the opportunity to fall in love with motorsports, and through Fuel Factory, we're going to give them that opportunity.
I like it. I love it. Well,
FuelFactoryUSA.com, Fuel Factory USA on all of our social channels. And the tagline is "Built for Speed," right? So Fuel Factory, we are Fuel Factory. We are built for speed. So we're super stoked about the upcoming season and pushing the program forward.
Yeah, and what I'm going to be working on is, me and Mark's going to be working on setting up distribution myself. I'm located in North Carolina. Marquis Hatton most likely in the Maryland, Virginia area. DJ McCain will be in the South Carolina and Georgia area. And then I need to work with, some other people as far as distributing outside of the East Coast, Texas, California, stuff like that. We're going to try to go pretty global with this fuel.
Yeah, again, the feedback on all of our fuels has been really good. We've done a lot of work with some of the elite engine builders, both on the stock, super stock, on the class race, and now as we head into the big cubic inch nitrous stuff. Like, we're super stoked about everything we have to offer, and can't wait to get started.
Oh yeah, well, it was nice doing the interview and
Yeah, appreciate
press
your
conference
time.
with you. I'm sure we're gonna get a lot of feedback.
Yeah,
off
for
of
sure.
this on
It'll be fun.
social media. Might be good, might be bad.
Yeah,
But that's
We'll see.
all part of it.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's see.
Appreciate you,
All
buddy.
righty, boss.
Thanks, Ryan.
Yes, sir.